guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I do this. It has shells on it, and we go in the water. Shell, but it was supposed to, I thought it looked like a heart, but it wasn't. So I'm gonna put this in my rock collection. There's some fog over there. Very foggy. And you see, I found a shell. Looks like a fish, but it has ladybugs in it. See the ladybugs in there? I shouldn't touch them. I don't want to hurt them. They're part of nature. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.